Hello, my friend. Jiex here at Jiex DIY. So, I would like to thank you, first of all, for supporting my channel. And it's been a while since I made a video. And I would like to thank you guys for being there for me, supporting me since 2016. But I would like to tell you guys the truth. Um, So you guys know me as Jiex at Jiex DIY. That's my nickname, and my legal name is Jean Amor Ramoran. But the reason I haven't been making videos is I was going through difficult times in my life in 2016, towards after I started the the channel. I had to get out of a toxic relationship, and I gonna try not to get so emotional here. But yeah, I've been through tough times, so I didn't wanna get you guys all depressed and pull you down with me. There were times I lost my house where I used to make the videos. So I didn't have a sewing room, and before I bought this house, I actually had to live in my car. Yes, for over a month, I didn't have a home. So, but I know I had to do something to put my life together. And I was working different jobs and also fixing a fixer upper house that I purchased to give myself and my children home. So I am doing a lot better during those times that I did not make a lot of videos. I also went on training to be a certified life coach. So I am now a life coach, and also just recently I wrote a book, The Beauty of Chains, and that became, it was just, yeah, just this month I published it on Amazon, and within just 24 hours, it became the number one bestseller um, in Amazon. And right now, it's only a Kindle version, but I am working on getting the printed version. So, guys, I can't thank you enough for being a loyal follower of my channel, and I will do a little more of the sewing again. And actually, I got some prom dresses and bridesmaids dresses to do, so I will try to film some of them. I don't have somebody to do the video, but I will do what I can do, so I can still put some sewing videos here. I know I have some requests how they want more sewing videos here, but I also want to let you guys know that I have a new channel now for the coaching and meditation. So it's The Beauty of Chains, named after my book, and I will put the link below. I will also add the link below on how to purchase my book if you are interested. So it's, where is my I have a prop here. This would be, I don't know how to make the video change the, so it's not reversed, but yeah, this is my book, and I have the seal, number one bestseller seal here. I will put the link below, so you guys, if you are interested to get the book, it is fun to read. So I will see you around, guys. I love you. Thank you so much for being there for me. And I am doing better now. See you around. Bye.